let's learn to tell time. In this video, we will learn about reading time in an analog clock. This is an analog clock. This is our hand. This is minute hand. This is second hand. In the analog clock, all these digits indicates hours. Let's learn to read hours. It is 1 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. We learned how to read hours. Now, let's learn how to read minutes. Each small increment is a minute. So, at this point, 1 minute is passed. 2 minutes are passed. 3 minutes. 4 minutes. And 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and all the way back to 0, and this completes 1 hour. Let's learn to read quarter past and half past. It is quarter past 1. It is quarter past 2. It is quarter past 3. It is half past 4. It is half past 5. It is half past 6.